every single minute people are buying for pretty fucking large amounts. Once it gets high enough, we can decide to rug pull all liquidity out of the pool. Yo guys, welcome to another video. I just came back home from my Dubai holiday. Unfortunately, I got a little sick on the way home, so you might hear it in my voice, but nevertheless, we're just gonna make a banger of a video, because today I'm gonna show you how people rug pull millions out of the meme coin system every single day. Today I'm gonna show you how it works step by step, and all these people keep saying to me, oh, you need Telegram bots, you need a large audience, you need blah blah blah, you need blah blah blah. It's all bullshit. It's way easier than most people think. And if you see all these people on TikTok and whatever, they claim, oh, you need to buy my bot to make it work. Of course you don't have to buy their bot, you don't have to buy any fucking thing. You can just use the tools out there that already exist. Don't buy from anybody, it's fucking useless. So let's get started right away. So first of all, what we're gonna do, how this method works, we're gonna find a meme coin that has been really popular the last 24 hours. Because we want to make a copy of a meme coin. We're not gonna build a meme coin from scratch. We're just gonna copy one and then trick people into believing that they're buying into the real coin while they're buying into ours instead. So yeah, let's get started right away. So step one, we're just heading over to dexscreener.com. This is the website where all the coins are listed. And what you're gonna do right here, you're gonna click on Solana, because this is the network we're gonna be operating on. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on the 24-hour chart. And of course, the WLFI coin has just been launched, so it's probably, this is a really popular one. It's probably a copied one as well, but whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna skip this one because it's oversaturated. But let's just look at some meme coins that might be good to copy. The most important thing what you want to check for is if they have a website, a Twitter, and a Telegram, because we need all three. Like ideally you just want all three to be present in a coin so we can rug it easily. So let's just walk through it. This one only has Twitter, this one website, Twitter. Alright, so this is a good one because it has all three. It's pretty new as well, so this might be a really good one. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna save the image onto my computer. So this is the image we're gonna use for the coin. And right now we're heading over to a launchpad that can launch directly onto DexScreener. We don't want to launch on Pump.Fun or any other network. We want it straight onto Radium so it gets listed on DexScreener on the new pair page. Because as you can see, people are buying this shit like crazy. Like, if we click on newest, you can see all these coins being created, and look at the percentages. It's insane. Like, people just stare at the screen the whole day, buy into every coin they see. It's pretty crazy. But so yeah, this is the way we're gonna make money. So if we head back to our coin that we're gonna copy. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna head over to the launchpad, and this is a launchpad that can launch directly onto Radium, which means it's listed onto DexScreener. So we're gonna use this one. Link will be down in the description. If you want to use it, feel free. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna head over, and first of all, we're obviously gonna connect our wallet. So I set up a little phantom wallet. I put in 1 Solana. So let's just see how much money we can make off of it. So we've got about 1 Solana. We connected our phantom wallet, and right now we're gonna copy all the information that's right here into the launchpad. So this is gonna be the ticker. So we just copy paste it. This is the name of the meme coin. So we just copy paste it. Description, you can find it right here. Boom. And right now, the last thing we need to do is obviously upload the picture that we just downloaded. So that's right here. And the last thing we need to do, we need to copy the website. So this one, boom. We need to copy the Twitter, boom. We need to copy the Telegram link, boom. So now we are ready to create our meme coin. But there's one more thing we need to do before we actually do it, and that's click revoke mint, revoke freeze, and revoke update. And there's a pretty simple reason for this, because if we do not do this, huge warnings will appear on the DexScreener page. Like, you can see the audit log right here, and it says mintable, no, freezable, no. So this means this is a legit coin. If we do not click these options right here, what's gonna happen, the audit's gonna say yes, mintable, yes, freezable, yes. And what will happen, like on top of our coin, like above this page, there will be huge warnings like this coin might be a scam, blah blah blah. So we do not want that because people will not buy into our coin. So make sure these 3 options are selected when you create the coin. So we just click create, and it will give a warning because the site is new. So we just confirm, and it will be creating our coin right here. Probably have to be a little patient. And there we go, our coin has been created, and as you can see, everything is set up perfectly. We have an interactive picture, we have a name, a ticker, we have everything we possibly need, and right here is the contract address. So this is going to be the address of our coin, and this is how we make the coin tradable. So the next step, step 2, is what we need to do. We need to market our coin. So this website also has a nice feature of marketing your coin, and you can just go through it by clicking on this page right here. Just leave the other one open, and it automatically fills your contract address in the box right here. And now we need to choose a marketing type to market our meme coin. So what's gonna happen if we buy one of these options, they're gonna promote your coin with bots on social media. So for example, if you choose Twitter marketing, they're gonna send bots into Twitter to talk about your meme coin. As you can see, you have a little example right here. So they will DM people, they'll make tweets, they'll interact with people, and just make sure your coin will be visible and people would like to trade your coin and buy into your coin. So this is a really essential step. And me personally, I always use the Chinese social media marketing one, with the simple reason of the Chinese social medias are so big and the investors there are really rich, so they're just scanning the social media the whole fucking day, waiting for new coins to pop up, and they want early access. So if they see a coin, they'll head straight over to Dex Screener and buy into your coin, and these are the people that we want to aim the marketing towards. So I'm gonna go with Chinese social media marketing. So I'll click buy, and I'll just confirm it, and the payment was successful. So this means the marketing is gonna start in a bit. We just need to be patient. It's probably gonna take like 5 or 10 minutes. But before we do that, we have to do one more thing, because our coin is not tradable right now and it's not visible on Dex Screener. And what we need to do for it, we need to create a liquidity pool, because if we do not create a liquidity pool, it's not gonna list on Dex Screener and people cannot buy into our coin. So we need to make sure we have a liquidity pool. And it's pretty simple to do so. I just heard that the initiate liquidity page on Forest Launch doesn't work anymore, so we're heading over to Radium to do so. So we just click on this button right here, create Radium pool, and we head over to the Radium platform. And right now what we need to do, we need to select our coin as the base token and Solana as the quote token. So we just select Solana as quote token right here. And for the base token, we're gonna copy paste our contract address right here. And then we need to replace the name and the symbol, because we're gonna add this coin into the Radium system. So we copy the name, copy the symbol, and we click add user token. And as you can see, it has 1 billion supply. That's perfect. So we just click continue. And right here, what we want to do, we want to determine a Solana price per nostalgic. So I mean nostalgic per sol. Click on this one, the sol price, instead of the nostalgic price. This is the better one. So what you can do by default is you can just put 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 and then one more 0. Boom. And this means that 0.1 Solana will be equivalent to the max supply of nostalgic. So that's what we're gonna do. So we just click continue. And then right here, we can determine how much Solana we want to insert into the pool. So what I'm gonna do, we wanna have about 85% of the supply. So that means we need 85 million out of the 1 billion supply. So we just filled that into our coin. So that's 850 000 000. And this is gonna cost us about $17 into the pool, so we're gonna put $17 into the pool ourselves, and everything that's bought after, we can just rug it straight out of them. So we just click on preview pool, boom, and we just confirm the deposit right here. Alright guys, so our coin has been up for about, let's say, 17 minutes now, and as you can see, people have been buying this shit like crazy, like 300, 250, 350, 250, 222, 223. People are investing like crazy, and every single minute people are buying for pretty fucking large amounts. And this is absolutely great because once it gets high enough, we can decide to rug pull all liquidity out of the pool. So this complete list of USD amounts will be sent straight to our wallet if we decide to rug pull it. But I'm not gonna rug pull it right now, obviously, because I want to wait a little longer until more people see the coin, and it might just explode even more than it already did. So I'll just keep an eye on the coin for you guys, and I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, so I just came back from a quick shower, and unfortunately, as you can see, the buying stopped about 19 minutes ago. Like, our coin has been blowing up like crazy. Like, look, all these investors have been putting in so much money, and it's pretty insane. But unfortunately, as you can see, the coin stopped growing and people are just holding it, but no more people are buying, unfortunately. But as you can see, there's about 2k in the pool right now, and that's absolutely insane because we just put in $20 ourselves in the liquidity pool, and obviously we paid some fees for the marketing, just 0.4 sol. But as you can see, our profit has been skyrocketing. Look at 18,000% profit, 2k in the pool right now. So I'm just gonna head over back to the platform to rug pull the entire pool. Obviously this is all for educational purposes. Do not do any of this yourself. Do not try this at home, it's illegal. But yeah, in case you would want to rug pull your meme coin, you just head over back to the launchpad. You click manage liquidity, you make sure your wallet is connected because this is the wallet your coin is tied to, and you're just gonna fill in 100%. And if we click this button right here, all the money in the entire pool, so about 2k, will be sent straight to our wallet. But obviously guys, I'm not gonna rug pull the coin because I'm not a scammer. Do not try any of this yourself. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers